dignitaries on dais, and my dear friends participating in this financial inclusion e-governance seminar. I am from LIC of India, Gandhinagar Divisional Office. I am heading micro insurance department at LIC of India, Gandhinagar Divisional Office. In micro insurance department, so far, the story started in 2006 when Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad inaugurated our one product, Jeevan Madhur. I am going to present the presentation over here. This is one product 2006 when the micro insurance was started in LIC of India in 2006, and it was inaugurated by Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad, the then Rashtrapati of our nation. We in micro insurance product there are two products in fact. So I will in brief I will present the one by one product. There are two products. See the scenario in the country, as rightly said, 30% population of India is living under the poverty line, and the figure as for the financial data, 40 crore almost people are living under the poverty line. So about 6 lakhs villages we are having, 27 public sector banks are having, 19,104 bank outlets in rural India, and only 2% of the poor population is insured. And as we see, the India is on right path, and the infrastructure development of the country is on right path. And so, if the poor left behind the fruits of this infrastructure development, then we will be not giving justice to them. So, the population which is nearly, as rightly said, must get the financial inclusion. And in LIC of India, there are two products. One which was inaugurated in 2006 was Jeevan Madhur, and the another product which was inaugurated, which was launched in 2009, it was Jeevan Mangal. The target group, as you have seen, that these rickshaw pullers, the coolies, dudwalas, and these farm laborers, taxi drivers, daily wagers, factory workers, those who have no regular income are the target groups. And who can operate this? This is a micro insurance agency model. Under this model, any NGO can take up the agency. Any Section 25 company can also take an agency. MFI, Microfinance Institute company also can take agency, and cooperative society also can take up the micro insurance agency. Such micro insurance agent can work through specified person. The persons under this plan is there. The data for the NVN renewal are to be processed by the MI agent through the MIAS package. LIC has developed one package. This is called micro insurance agent software. And this package, through this package, they can collect renewal premium as well as first premium. And the files, the soft files which are prepared are to be sent to LIC along with the remittance for the updation. And premium for fresh and renewal can also be collected by the micro insurance agent through their SPs. This is a Jeevan Madhur plan. First year commission is 10%, and renewal commission is also 10%. So, and it is a term of maximum term of 15 years. Minimum term is 5 years. So, 15 years term, one can get a commission of 150%. Under Jeevan Mangal plan, first year commission is 10%, and also renewal commission is 10%. Under single premium also, this plan is available, but with a term of 10 years, and where commission is 5%. Small ticket and big income. Because micro insurance is a small policy. There is a cap in sum assured also. So, this policy can fetch a very good income unless and until the big numbers are secured. So, if one agent collects 12 policies, 12 policies and a premium of say rupees 200 from a person, then he will get a premium of 2,400. But say if he collects over 2,400 policies, then total premium of this policy under his organization would be 28.8 lakhs. So commission on this 28.8 lakhs would be 2.88 lakhs for the first year. In the second year also, he collects the number of policies like in the first year. So the commission would be double, 5,76,000, and the third year, 8,64,000, and it goes on increasing as much as one can wish and complete. Microinsurance product Jeevan Madhur, this is also available to adult from 18 to 16 years age. There is no medical checkup required. Maximum age of maturity is 65 years. And sum assured, the ticket size of risk cover is 5,000 minimum and 30,000 is maximum. There is a inbuilt double accident benefit and permanent disability benefit feature. Jeevan Madhur, this premium can be paid weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly and early mode. And the days sum assured is designed as annualized premium into term. So one can go for a sum assured of 30,000 if he pays a premium per annum 2,000 per annum and a term selects 15,000, then the maximum 30,000 sum assured would be there. And benefits on maturity is maturity sum assured plus bonus for the number of premiums paid. If death occurs during the term of the policy, then policyholder's nominee or claimant, whoever may be, would get sum assured plus bonus for the number of premiums paid. If death is due to accident, then he will get double the sum assured plus bonus for the number of years premium paid. This is another product, Jeevan Mangal. This is a low premium term insurance product. Under the term insurance product, there is a cap that at the end of maturity, nothing is payable to the claimant. But in this case, LIC has taken a view that poor people can save and they can have a higher risk cover through this policy. So there is a age is 18 to 60 years.
1 minute.
Okay. The maturity is 70 years, and then after the premium as usual can be paid weekly, monthly, fortnightly, quarterly, and so on. Sir, these are two products basically, and with the help to the as the model will be decided by the government, that CSC, PSV can be an agent, can be microinsurance agent. Also NGOs are our agent. But this CSC, PSV, the model can be our agent, and then they can get 10% their commission income. So this is a very good model. This is a financial inclusion which can have to reach nook and corner of the country, because we have to have a social obligations also. So we have to fulfill that point also. Also LIC of India doesn't only take business from the rural people, but there is some concept also. When one village, if having a population of 1,000 and above, and if 300% people are insured, then LIC of India donates a amount 22,500 to develop the country, develop that village, have a solar panel, or putting a library, or for a social cause. This amount can be utilized. So this is from LIC of India, and I thank all of you to think over this microinsurance product, which are very low premium and which is cost effective also. And so the saving and the risk cover, which we thought we have got good opportunity to include this product in our country, and that way we can help the society also, because the society needs our help. And this e-governance, I would like to say that I have also a background of information technology. I was also working. I had worked as a microinsurance programmer also. So this, looking to this vast opportunity, we must give these two products in a big way, and this CSC, PSV can take up the agency. Thank you. Thank you, friends.